welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm going to install the easiest modification that you can install. And you can install it on any car ever. An old car, a new car, a van, a lorry, probably anything. Any vehicle that runs on 2 to 4 wheels or more. Basically, it's just an easy modification, and it's also very cheap. So enjoy as I take you down through the process of the easiest modification you can imagine. So the first thing you're going to need for this amazing mod are some gloves and a mat for your knees, which I've got down here because my knees hurt. So let's not make them worse. But what is this modification? It's changing your valve caps. All you do, unscrew. Wow. And then, I've got some nice purple ones here to go with my brake calipers. These were given to me by my friend Dan, and they're going to go on the car. Oh, this is difficult. It's a very difficult modification. Hey presto, it's on. Yes. Repeat this 4 times and you've done it. If you've got 4 wheels, do it 4 times. As you can see, my previous valve covers are green, and that's because my tyres are nitrogen filled. I recommend nitrogen inflation to everybody. And that's 2. Number 3. I mean, you could argue that they look more pink than purple, but it's 2021. Enjoy it. And here's number 4 on a very cold day. The last one. Look how quickly this is to do as a modification. Is it a modification? Probably. Is it worth watching this video? Nah, probably not. But it's cold, it's lockdown. Let's get some videos filmed. For you people out there, you lovely people. Now for some shots around the car to show how lovely these new valve covers look. Yep, doesn't match. Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick, brief episode of SULKNATIONtv. Is it a modification? Probably not. Was it quick and easy to do? Definitely. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I really do. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. Be safe during lockdown. Be safe.